my channel. I'm just quickly getting ready for the day. I just want to feel a little bit more put together for our Sunday reset. And honestly, I don't even want to like call it really a Sunday reset. I kind of just want to do a overall reset because I feel like I'm in a little bit of a funk. I don't know what's in the air. I don't know if Mercury's in retrograde or what. Your girl has just not been feeling like on her ish. And so in an attempt to take control back of my life, I'm gonna do a little reset today. Just do things that I know my future self will thank me for going into a fresh new week, because I do not want to carry this energy into the new week. Like, it's just gonna stay here and we're gonna work through it together. Sometimes for me, Sunday resets or just resets in general can be a little intimidating because I feel like I have so many things on my to-do list and just not enough time and not enough mental energy to do it. So being that I know myself and know how I get, I simplified my list so that we can actually achieve it today. And I wrote it down in the last section of my little Sunday journal reflection. So the main thing that I've been wanting to focus on for quite some time now is I want to do a closet clean out. I feel like every single time that I dress myself to leave the house, I get really discouraged from leaving the house because I hate all my clothes and I have too much clothes. Like, it's actually gotten quite out of hand. I'm just tired of trying to look for an outfit and hating literally everything in it. So we are changing that today because I am sick and tired of my BS. I'm gonna post all the things that I do not want on my Depop, so make sure you are following me on my Depop. I want to clean all my makeup brushes. It's been about like 2 to 3 weeks since I've last cleaned them, and I can definitely tell because I'm kind of breaking out in certain areas that I don't usually break out in. I also want to do a quick little grocery run, and then lastly I want to do a 20-minute house tidy. So that's the game plan today. I just want to enter this new week with some good energy, with an organized house, by doing all the things that I've just been putting off for so long. So yeah, make yourself a cup of coffee and join me as I do a little reset. This is the current state of my closet. It is actually a mess. I feel like I don't even touch half of my clothes anymore because I'm just so tired of them. This is my boyfriend's side that we will not be touching, but literally look at all these clothes. Are you joking me? It's giving hoarder. Literally cannot find any clothes in these little drawers. Eventually, I do want to upgrade and get like an actual dresser to put underneath this little rack. I feel like it would fit nicely. We have this dresser, but this is all for my boyfriend's stuff besides my like one little purse drawer. But eventually I would like to get another one of those dressers to put under here because literally these are all like pants and skirts just like chilling out here. It's probably gonna stay out here, but I just want to like refold them, reorganize. Like half of these tops I don't even use. So I'm like, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna sort through, and anything that I don't want, I'm gonna throw out there so I can kind of just sift through and see what I want to post or donate. So let's get into it. Cute, but I literally have not touched this in 2 years. Like, why am I holding on to things like this? Cute. Okay, I'm kind of sentimental about like clothes sometimes. But this is my first purchase from Aritzia and it was like $300. So I feel like sometimes it's hard for me to let go of things when there's like monetary value attached, especially because the Aritzia is just not cheap. Like, I never wear this. The last time I wore this was in like 2021. I think we're gonna have to part ways, girl. Yeah, we're gonna have to part ways. This could be cute, but that's my downfall. Look at this already. Sickening. So cool. So can someone please take this off my hands? It's so cool, but I just don't reach for it. It's a vintage NASCAR coat. Insane. for this corset. Are you kidding me? Girl, I have not unpacked this since our move from Oregon to Vegas, and we moved literally 6 months ago. Procrastination is not cute. How many black bikinis can one have? They all look the same, babe. Okay, so this is like some college volleyball gear, and I think I'm gonna keep my college gear in like this bag just to keep it all in one place in case I ever play again. So these are all pants and skirts. So this pile is what I want to keep. This pile is what I'm going to be selling. This pile is also what I'm going to be selling on my Depop. But before I put my pants back into my closet, I want to refold all of these clothes in here because this is actually a mess. Look at how much organized this is. I know it's like not aesthetically cute, but I just needed to organize this so I can have access to my clothes. The bottom drawer is shorts, boxers, sleepy shorts, leggings. This is sleepy shirts, long sleeves, t-shirts. And then this is workout tops, boleros, tank tops, more workout tops and tank tops. And then this is just like intimates, you know? Again, not aesthetic, but I just needed something functional and less overwhelming, so I'm glad that I tackled that today. But now let's fill our shelves with all of our pants. I just moved this over a little bit to make room for my purses. I had no idea how to organize my purses because I have quite a bit. For the time being, I just decided to hang them up. So this is how I'm kind of organizing it. So the back is beach bags slash fruit bags. This is concert bags, hence why they're clear. These are my larger travel bags. These are all tote bags. These are kind of like my medium size purses that I don't usually reach for, but they're good to have. These are like statement vacation purses. And these two that are closer to me are kind of like my everyday, what I reach for. These are more handbag vibes. So these are my 4 favorite out of my entire collection. So I just wanted to have them kind of close together. In the meantime, this is my home for my purses. But already this feels like a breath of fresh air. I know it's not the most aesthetic ever, but this works for me. Until I build my dream closet, this is what we're working with, and I'm very content. Now we're on to arguably the worst part of closet clean out. It is taking pictures of everything I just cleaned out of my closet and posting it for sale. This is gonna take so much patience because I want it to be done with. I just want it to be posted like magically by itself, but now we need to take pictures of literally every single item. So my patience is being tested today. Why did I actually do the closet clean out? So far, this is all the clothes that I've taken pictures of. So I got about through half of my clothes. I'm running out of steam, you guys, I won't lie. It's a lot of clothes and it's a lot of taking pictures and I haven't even posted them yet. Ugh. Being that I want to accomplish everything on my list today, I think I'm gonna just take a pause and make like a goal to post 5 items every day on Depop. That way I can like slowly but surely get through this pile. But the show must go on. I need to tackle the rest of my things on my to-do list or else I will literally spiral. So I'm gonna just quickly clean up my room because it's making me a little overwhelmed. But I'm just so glad that I tackled organizing my closet. Like you have no idea how much has just been lifted off my shoulders. Like going in there and getting dressed every day was honestly a chore and I don't want that to be a chore. Like we're here to romanticize everything. How can I romanticize getting ready for the day when my closet makes me feel overwhelmed? It was just horrible, and so I'm so glad that I tackled that. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then just move on to the rest of my to-do list. All right, I just finished the 20-minute tidy of the house. I feel so much better. I seriously feel like the weight has just been lifted off my shoulders. But I kind of wanted to reflect because I don't know if I'm the only person that feels this way, but I just kind of want to reflect because earlier in this vlog I was just saying about how like I kind of feel overwhelmed when there's a lot of things on my Sunday reset like list, or just in general like my to-do list. And I don't know if it's just me or if someone else can relate to this, but I feel like a lot of that has been from kind of like consuming tons of content about like being productive, you know, doing these Sunday resets and having these like fat to-do lists and getting them done all within the day. And it was just like a really good moment for me to like pause and assess my to-do list, because I've been watching a lot of reset videos lately and they're so inspiring. They make me want to get my life together every Sunday. It just gives me the motivation to do one. But then the next day will come and I'll feel like crap if I don't actually do the reset or if I don't accomplish everything on my to-do list. So I just want to reiterate that you don't need a fat to-do list on your reset or your Sunday reset or just in general in your to-do list. Like, it does not need to be extensive for you to feel productive. And it's honestly not productive when you just make this fat to-do list and then feel horrible about yourself if you don't accomplish all of it. And so that's why today I really minimized my list, because I knew I just wasn't in the mood to do a full-on reset of the house. So I just want this video to be kind of like a sign to you that you don't need a huge to-do list to feel productive. Honestly, it could be more harmful than not, especially if you don't accomplish everything. It just leads to kind of like spiraling, and I just don't love feeling like that. And I don't want you guys to ever feel like that too if you do not accomplish everything on your to-do list. So, and the last thing on my to-do list today is to go grocery shopping, but instead I'm gonna save it for tomorrow because my boyfriend asked if we wanted to go get some Thai takeout. And girl, one thing about me on Sundays, I do not like cooking on the weekend, so I am always down for takeout from one of my favorite Thai restaurants. I'm just gonna get my grocery shopping done tomorrow. So yeah, it's okay to adapt and it's okay to change things up to prevent you from literally feeling horrible about yourself if you don't get everything done. So this is your sign. Just pick 3 things that you need to do. You don't need to have 10 things on your to-do list to be productive. So yeah, with that being said, let's go pick up some dinner. This is dinner. I got some yellow curry with chicken, cashew nut chicken, some fried rice. We're just gonna plate these babies up. My mouth is literally watering. Yum.